Yo, what's up guys? Today we got another package in from poshcakes.cc, so let's unbox it. Here we have the New Balance 9060 in the grey colorway, so let's unbox it. I've seen these in person and they look one-to-one to me, as well as the absorbing technology is pretty much the same. You might think the logo is wrong, but the video is just reversed because I'm using my selfie camera. On Poshcakes these are one hell of a lot cheaper, so make sure to buy them from there and not from the store.
Oh hell no, man! What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy!
I have them on feet right now and they look very comfy. As you can see, these are amazing and they feel very good. As well as the cushioning is great. Make sure to check out Poshcakes as well as use my code Tommy for $15 off.